Hey, my name is Sam, and let me show you how I made some sounds for this animation of a hot chocolate maker. The first thing I did was collect a bunch of props that I could use for Foley, and then I just started recording sounds. Some sounds I try to perform in time with the video. Other times I just let the recording roll and experiment with what I think would sound good. Then I start editing the sounds, cutting them up, putting them in place, finding different ways to use them. Next, I wanted to include some synthetic sound design, so I used some synths to build some risers and bass drops. Then it was on to more mixing, editing, applying effects, and getting everything to work together. For the music, I was hearing some lo-fi hip-hop. One of my goals with the music and the sound design was to build anticipation as the hot chocolate is brewing. To do this, the track pedals on the 5 chord for an extended period of time, building up more and more until, oh boy, that hot chocolate's ready. After all the instruments were recorded, it was just down to mixing everything and getting the final touches. And here's the final video.